Just a minute. Yeah, please, Zoya, can you read the fourth question once, please?
Yes, ma'am. I borrowed rupees 12,000 from Jamshed at 6% per annum simple interest for 2 years. Had I borrowed this sum at 6% per annum compound interest, what extra amount would I have to pay?
Ah, see here, what are the given conditions? What are the conditions given here? Principal amount is given, rate of interest is given, time is given. So what you supposed to find out here? I borrowed 6%. Simple interest you need to find out.
Ma'am, we need to compare.
Yeah. You need to find both simple interest and compound interest. Then simply you have to compare. Sahasra, are you there, Sahasra? Sahasra.
Yes, ma'am.
Sahasra, what is simple interest and compound interest formulas, please tell?
Yes, ma'am. Simple interest is P into R into T by 100.
Okay.
And compound interest is P into 1 plus R by 100 to the
Is it a
power.
compound interest? No, it's not a compound interest. It's amount, right? Sometimes maybe, yeah. Amount formula you just said. Yeah. Please tell, continue, Sahasra. Sahasra, please continue.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yeah, you just said simple interest is nothing but P T R by 100.
100.
What are the given conditions in our question? Principal amount is given as 12,000. What is rate of interest given, children?
6.
6%.
Yes,
And what other things is given? Time.
Time.
Time equal to?
2 years.
Yes, 2 years, right. Here we are taking as P time is nothing but 2 years.
Ma'am, I joined a little late, ma'am.
No, just now we just started the question. What is the thing? Fourth question we are just doing. You just
Ma'am,
observe.
actually in the exam, I did not know what to do for that annually, monthly, ma'am. Compound and monthly.
Nana, 1 year, how many months you have, Nana?
12, ma'am. I taught that and I did it I choose 12, ma'am. One more for question, ma'am. I
Okay.
did not understand, ma'am.
Yeah, that is also
Years.
R by 12 rate of interest means.
Yes, ma'am. I did R by 12 whole power. I did not know what to do, ma'am.
Okay, whole power n as it is, you're supposed to substitute, Nana. 12n. It's 12n.
Okay,
How
ma'am.
half yearly means we are taking 2n. The same way you're supposed to take as
12.
right.
Quarterly, then 4N.
Yes, quarterly 4n. Half yearly 2n. Very good. So it's monthly is given, you have to take it as 12n.
12N.
At least you will think about that. I just gave why some bits I'm giving for you children. At least some part of thinking should be happen in the child.
Ma'am, for one bit I got and I did 12 months now.
Okay, we'll discuss, Satvik, don't worry. Last 15 minutes, just at a glance, we'll discuss all the paper. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. I will. Just fourth question we are doing right now.
Ma'am, what were telling ma'am? I joined a bit.
Hello. Yeah, nothing, children. We didn't start it. The fourth question we are discussing. Once at last, we will discuss Sunday question paper also. Yes, other day till third bits we complete. 3 bits we completed. Fourth bit is also very simple, children. No need of wasting time. There is a question. Principal amount is given. Rate of interest is given as 6%. Time is given 2 years. And you need to find the simple interest as well as compound interest. You need to find simple interest as well as compound interest. So you need to compare what extra amount would I have to pay means what you should do, children. You have to compare those two numbers.
Ma'am, whatever amount we will get of compound interest, we can subtract from that the simple interest and we will
Yes,
get how
that's all.
much extra.
That's all. Very simple. You just observe the screen. It's a principal amount is given as 12,000. A rate of interest is 6. Time is given as 2 years. by 100. Just to simplify, children, this is very simple calculation. No need to do 6
Ma'am, I
to
did it, ma'am. 1440.
1440. This is
Ma'am,
simply
is that a test paper?
no. Pallav will discuss yesterday paper last 15 minutes.
Is this a worksheet, ma'am? Yes,
Ah.
ma'am. The questions also I
Ah.
can bet it, ma'am.
Yes.
That is not the worksheet.
Compound interest, yeah. Compound interest means what is the formula, children? P into 1 plus R by 100
Power n.
power n minus
Minus P.
minus P.
minus, yes, ma'am. Minus
Right.
P.
So here principal amount is how much, children? 12,000 first.
12,000.
You just simplify this part. 12,000 multiplied with
Into
One
1 plus
yes.
1
R by-
plus 6 divided by 100.
Yes. Whole to the power n means it's a compound interest annum, right? Per annum it is
Yes,
given,
ma'am.
so directly you need to substitute n is equal to how much, Nana? It's 2. You
Yes,
have
ma'am,
to
it's 2.
simplify here. It become 3 and it become 50. 53. You just simply write it as 12,000 multiplied with 51. Sorry, you just do cross multiplication, children. 50 into 150. 53 divided by 50. How many times you need to do? 2 times. It's a whole
times.
square. 2 times. Children, it is very simple what you are doing in your previous addition of fractions, the same thing. Next, 5 one time, 5 2s are 10, it's 5 4s are 20. Now you have to multiply all the values, children. What is the value of, yes, what is the value of 24 multiplied with 53?
14692, ma'am. No, ma'am. 14924. 14924.
No, first you need to calculate 53 into 53. 53 square, how you supposed to find it? Or else any approximation also, you can know approximation. Here we supposed to solve each and everything. Yes, Sahu, what is the value of this?
My 53 square is 2809.
2809 multiplied with 24. Please find out, Nana. Then we have to
Ma'am,
divide.
I got it, ma'am. 14924. 924.
14924. This is the value of this.
No, ma'am, this is wrong answer, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got the answer as in decimal only 13483.2.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 67416 divided by 5 is
Just
13482.
to multiply with 24, please let me know. What is the
Yes, ma'am.
multiplication? 28 is 9.
Ma'am, 67,416.
67,416.
16. Ma'am, then we'll divide it by 5, so we'll get a 13,483.2.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
you
Correct.
need to divide, children, always. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 4
Ma'am, 5 8s are
are 40.
40.
Yes.
Ma'am, 15 3s are, ma'am, 3s are.
13483.2. I guess, ma'am.
Now you need to subtract this from amount to this. What your compound interest you need to find out. This is complete amount you
1200.
got. So this minus, if you want to find out compound interest, what you have to
12000. You have to
you have to
minus it
subtract
by
the principal amount, 12,000. Children, what is the, after subtracting these two, what is the value of compound?
1,483.2.
1483.2.
1348.
No, ma'am,
No, ma'am.
1438.
1438.
1438.
Okay, 1438.20.
Ma'am, not also 38, ma'am. Ma'am, they are saying wrong, ma'am. It's 83.
1 minute. Let me.
Ma'am, it's 83, ma'am. 1,483.
Yes. It's a 12,000.
1483.2.
It's 13,000. Just one is there. Rest all the part you have to write as it is. Yes, 83.20. Just 1,000. This is the compound interest.
1,483.2.
Yeah, our simple interest is given as this one, 1,440. Now you understand, children, which is more here and by how much? Which is more and by how much? Simple interest minus compound interest you need to find out.
Ma'am, the compound interest is more by 43.
Yes, 43 point.
Ma'am, that
43.2.
came there.
Yes, you need to subtract 1483.20 minus 1440. Just it is become
Allow mute yourself.
43 point. Please mute your mic, Nana. 43 point.
20.
Yeah, you have to carefully observe the children. You have how much you would have to pay extra means it's a 43.20.
43.20.
Next
Yes,
question. Pallav, can you read the fifth question? Any doubt in the question? You just see children. Fourth bit. Fourth bit, I borrowed 12,000 from Jamshed at rate of 6% per annum. Simple interest for 2 years. Had I borrowed this sum at 6% per annum compound interest, what extra amount I would have to pay? So if you you know that simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. Principal, time and rate of interest, you just multiply all those, divide with 100, you will get 1440. The same way you need to find out compound interest, but compound interest here annum is given. So to find out amount, pre into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power n. How many of you wrote all formulas in one chart, children? How many of you wrote all formulas?
Ma'am, I already have them. I did not need to write.
Very good, very good.
Even
If you have, you just arrange, find all formulas together and practice, children. And next question, please read the question. Akash, please read the fifth bit.
Ma'am,
1 minute, Shreyashi. I will come.
Ma'am, may I read?
Yes, Sahu.
Vasudevan invested rupees 60,000 at an interest rate of 12% per annum, compounded half yearly. What amount would he get after 6 months and after 1 year?
Yes.
Ma'am, so here we can use the formula. Compound interest is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 2n.
Why 2n half yearly?
ma'am, both
Ma'am,
you have
because
to
it is
find out
half
exact
yearly, so 2n we can take. And n here first we have to take 1 by 2, and second time we will take n as 1.
Very good. That's all, children. You need to find for first. Yeah, directly you're supposed to substitute for half yearly means you have to substitute in the formula. We know there are 2 half years in 1 year. That's why n value you substitute as 2n 1 plus r by. Sorry, what is the formula, children? What is
Ma'am,
the
P into
formula?
1 plus R by 100 to the power 2n.
P into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n minus p.
Minus P.
Right. Can you please?
Ma'am, 2n, no?
2n, that's why I'm asking. No one is not saying. Yeah, I'm asking about half yearly, children. I won't ask.
2n only, ma'am.
Yeah. Let me take the fourth question here. Yes.
Ma'am, doesn't the rate decrease by half, ma'am?
Okay.
That's the reason
If it is half year.
2n.
Anna, half yearly per annum. Yesterday I gave few formulas. Just recollect all.
Yes, ma'am, I read, but I'm asking, but the rate should decrease, right, ma'am, if it is half yearly.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
12%, it decreases 6.
Yes. Here you just see here P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n.
No,
This is-
ma'am, but
minus P.
nowhere it is written in the question that the rate of interest is decreased.
Ma'am, it will be.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
one
this
more
is
thing you
compounded
left, ma'am.
annually.
Minus p also you left.
Ma'am, this is compounded annually. Compounded half yearly is P into 1 plus R by 200 whole power 2n.
Yes, ma'am, either we can half the rate or we should do
R
it by 200.
ma'am. R by
R by,
200.
yes,
R
R
by
by
200.
200 whole to the power n, children. This is half yearly.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am, that was what I was
Yes,
trying to
ma'am.
tell. Either you can
Yeah.
half the R or
Suppose if it is quarterly means what you're supposed to take?
400, 400.
Raised to the power 4n.
400, ma'am. 400 to the power of 2n.
This is the way you're supposed to remember.
And monthly mean P into 1 plus R by 12 12n. Whole power 12n.
1200, 1200
1200, yes, ma'am.
Whole
whole to the
power
power.
12n.
Ma'am,
Power
but we
12n.
don't use it like that. We have to convert them into years.
No need, you directly keep remember, you just keep remember like that, children. It is very easy for you. Not only in this class, when you are going to senior classes, also very easy for you. Now according to our fifth question, Vasudevan, what is the amount? Amount is given as principal amount. How much, Nana? It's
60,000 rupees, ma'am.
60,000, right? Principal amount is 60,000. What is the rate of interest is given, Nana? Rate of
12%, I think.
12%. Very good. It's a 12%. And what is n equal to 6 months? One is given and n equal
6
to 1
months
year.
and then another one is 1 year.
Ma'am,
Yes.
N1 is 6 months, N2 is 1 year.
Yeah, n is given as 6 months. So half yearly. So we can calculate here as a half yearly. Yes, or no, children?
Yes, ma'am, half year.
Yes, ma'am.
Half year. Come on, children. Please substitute in your formula P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power R by 200, right? Whole to the power 2n. Come on, substitute in that value, children. 6,000. Only simplification part only you have to take care, children. Rest, once you know the formula, you can go easily. Rate of interest is whole to the power 2 into.
Ma'am, in the formula, ma'am,
2
also
into
minus
half,
P is
ma'am.
also left, ma'am.
Yes, ma?
Minus P at last, ma'am.
What, ma?
Ma'am, minus P, ma'am, in the formula.
Yeah, we will,
Compound
we
interest.
will,
For CI, ma'am.
we will do that. Just let me complete this part. Here, can we go with 4 table, children? 4 3s are 12. 4 5s are 20. That means it's 3 by 53 by 53 by 50.
53 by
Just a raised power is cancelled, so only one time. Now you have to simplify here. 5 ones are 5. Just 2 times 12,000.
1200.
1200 into 53 I want to. Come on, children. 1200 into 53. 1250 times 60. 12 threes are 3. So 6,000. Enter on 63,000. 36. 63,000. How much, Nana? 1250 times 6,000. Nana. 12 threes are 36. 36, right? So 6,000. 60,000, right? 60,000.
60,000, that is.
Not 6,000. 6,360. 3,600 means how much? 3,600 means how much, Nana? Just a minute. Yeah, here just.
Ma'am, 9,600.
Yes, Nana. Simple logic. 5, 6, 12, 5s are 60. 12 3s are 36. 36 63. Yes, how we supposed to write here? 63,600. You just multiply, children. Multiply and find out whether it is true or not. I just added approximately. Come on, per annum you have to substitute and simplify.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, it's 63 and 600.
Is it true?
63,600. Yes, ma'am.
R by 100 whole to the power n. N equal to given as 1 year here. N equal to given as 1 year. It's very simple, children. Just substitute 60,000 multiplied with our rate of interest is 6 by. Is it how much you will get here?
Ma'am,
Yes,
60,000, ma'am, not 6,000.
60,000, ma'am.
Left, ma'am.
The principal is
Okay, 60,000.
Yes, ma'am.
1 plus.
Same thing only we will get here, right?
1 plus
Yes,
R.
ma'am.
Same thing
I mean,
only,
1
but
plus
2 times
1
here.
plus 12 by 100.
12 by 100. Whole power n.
12 by 100
Whole
or
power?
you can take it as
Whole power 1, I guess.
2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 2 into 1 is 2. No, no.
Come on,
200.
simplify, children. Please simplify and give the answer. Please simplify and give the answer, children. 2 into n. 2 n is 1 here, Nana. That's all. Just to substitute in that. You supposed to do calculations little faster, children. This is as usual like.
Ma'am, I guess I got it, ma'am.
53 by
75264.
50, 53 by 50. You just, we know already we did this. 53 by 50 we get as a 1200, right?
Ma'am, is this half yearly or annually?
Annually, Nana, 1 year.
Annual.
Okay.
Annual.
Ma'am, for annually,
it's
then it will be only
75264.
n, no, ma'am. It will not be 2 and it will be
Nana, ఇక్కడ ఏమైందంటే n equal to half year, Nana. 6 months అంటే half year. That's why n value I substituted as 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 2 to get cancelled, right?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Come on, the same way you have to simplify with another 50 is there.
I got it
0,
as
0, cut it.
75264.
Cut 0, 0. 5 table 5, how many times, Nana? 5, 2 times 5, 24 times. Come on, just multiply with the 24 into 53 into 53. 53 square, how much, children? 53 square, how much?
And 53 square is equal to
2809. 2809.
Who will give
Yes,
calculate?
ma'am, that's what.
2809. Multiplied with the 24. Who will give?
Ma'am, 67416, I think, ma'am.
How much amount? 6, 7?
Ma'am, 67416, I got, ma'am. I don't know.
67416. Children, you supposed to go with 2 times, then 4 times easily. You have to use your whole numbers properties. Distributive method you can use here to solve simply. If
Ma'am,
it
I
is
did it like 28009 into 20 into 4 plus 2809 into 4.
now you have to check where earlier we are taking for half yearly means 63,600 per annum. Here it is happening as 67,416. That's all, children. I think there is no comparison is also given directly. Question is given here.
Ma'am, I don't think this is the
Ma'am, I
right.
got the same answer, ma'am.
What amount would he get after 6 months, after 1 year? After 6 months, what amount he will get? 63,600. After 6 months, what amount he will get?
60.
7,416. That's all.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can also do it like, ma'am, what the compound interest for the first one, ma'am, into 2 is equal to like that.
Yes, anything, children, calculation you have to do. No excuse. No one will help in the examination. No
Because
calculation.
that's 6 months and ma'am, this is 1 year, ma'am. That we can do multiply into 2 and then also we can get the answer.
What, ma?
Or maybe no.
What, Shreyashi? What's your doubt?
Ma'am, they're asking, ma'am, like the first one, ma'am, that's like 6 months, ma'am. Down one is 1 year, ma'am. So we can make like upper one into 2 or no.
What is the Shreyashi doubt here? I didn't get the point. Shreyashi, what's your doubt? Please let me know.
Ma'am, I'll tell it again and slowly, ma'am. Ma'am, the first one, ma'am, in which 6 months we did.
Okay.
The answer we got a 63,600.
600. For
Now
6
6
months.
months into 2, 6 into 2 is equal to 12, which is equal to 1 year. Yes, ma'am? Then why can't we do like the compound interest, like 63,600 into 2 for the next answer?
Here question, you just read the question, what is given. Just a question is given for you. Vasudevan invested 60,000 at invest rate of 12% per annum, compounded half yearly. Per annum 12% per annum, compounded half yearly. What amount would he get after 6 months, after 1 year? If you supposed to check after 6 months, he is getting this amount. After 1 year, if you supposed to check how much he will get, 67,416. Shreyashi, they're not asking about just they are questioning after 6 months how much amount they're getting. After 1 year, how much amount they're getting. They are not going to adding that compounded
Okay,
half
ma'am.
yearly, whether you need to take this as your amount, like that. Don't think like that.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Next question. Let me go with the next question. Sahasra, please read the question number 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Sahasra, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. There.
Please.
Maria
Again,
invested.
show the question.
Is it
Ma'am, for the
6th or
another
7th
one, ma'am.
question? Ma'am? 6th question.
Ma'am, the 6th one only, ma'am. 6, I mean,
Sixth.
Yes, ma'am.
question.
Now we did the 5th one. Yes, ma'am.
6th question.
Arif took a loan of 80,000 from a bank. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum, find the difference in amounts he would be paying after 1.5 years if the interest is compounded annually and compounded half yearly.
Shreya, you just see in this question, they are going to question 2 ways. Compounded annually, compounded half yearly.
Ma'am, 1.5 yearly.
Yeah. 1.5 year means first how many, what you supposed to take here? Yes, what is principal amount given? 80,000. Rate
Yes,
of
ma'am.
interest given as
80,000.
10%.
80,000.
10% is the rate.
Time period is given as 1.5 year.
3 by 2 years.
What you have to find, Nana? The amount for 1 year you have to find, and 6 months can be calculated first. Calculating whatever the amount you are calculating, on that you supposed to calculate the amount for the further 1 year using the compound interest formula. And not only this, you need to calculate simple interest for 6 months also on the amount obtained by the end of 1.5 year. Let me go with the part, just a minute, children.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 1 by 2 into 2 will be 3, no, ma'am?
No, first 1 year you have to calculate as usual, but half year, how you supposed to calculate? You need to put simple interest formula. Let me, we did already one variety of question.
Ma'am, or can we do it as 80,000 into 1 plus 10 by 200 whole power 2 into 1 by 2, which will be 3, no, ma'am?
Just a minute, Satvik, I will help you. What is the given? If you write, then you can understand easily. What
Yes,
is the given in the
80,000.
question? Question is given a Arif. Arif is how much? What is the principal amount, Nana?
80,000.
80,000.
Principal amount is given as 80,000.
The rate of interest 10.
Time period N is
10%
given
rate
as
of
1.5 years. Time period given as 1.5 years. Rate of interest is given as
10%.
10%. Very good. So 10%. Is it 10%? Right. Yes. Now
First we
you
have to find compounded year.
first step you have to calculate amount for first year, Nana. Please calculate for the amount for first year. How you supposed to calculate for amount?
80,000 into 1 by
R by
1
100
plus R by 100 whole
whole to the
power
power
1.
n. N is nothing but 1.
One.
For 1 year you are calculating. For 1 year you are calculating. For 1 year you are calculating. So n you are supposed to substitute as 80,000 multiplied
To
with
110.
1 by 10 can be written as only 10 whole to the power n. It's nothing but 11 by 10, right, children?
Yes, ma'am. 11
Yes,
by
ma'am, 11 by 10.
Please substitute in the 11 by 10 just to simplify.
8,000.
11 8 sir.
100.
88. 11 8 sir. Think just sir. 11
Yes,
8
ma'am.
88,000.
88. This is your by taking 88,000 as a principal. Now you have to
Yeah, is 8,000.
more half year is there. For that you have to take a simple interest formula. This amount you take as a principal right now.
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
So PTR by 100. This amount you have to take. What is P principal amount here? You just take it as 8,800 multiplied with the T. Time period is how much, Nana?
1 by.
Yes, sir. Time period is half month, right?
Yes, ma'am. 6
Half month. Half year means half
1
year.
by
Rate of interest 10 divided by 100.
100.
Just to simplify, children, it's
10,
nothing but a 5.
0.
So zeros will be cutted. 88 5 times and 88 5 times. 8 5 times. 88 5 times. 88 5 4s are 8 5s are 40. Yes, 8 5s are 40. Right.
I'm 440.
400.
88
Yeah,
times.
4,400. Right, Sana. This is the interest half year. Earlier, what you are getting, just you have to add up those two amounts, children, please. Earlier, we have amount as 88,000. 88,000 minus interest you have to find out, Nana. Interest you need to find out. So find out initial amount is our amount. What is the amount you are getting here? 88,000. 88,000 minus 80,000. How much?
8,000, ma'am.
How much interest you are getting
8,000.
here?
8,000.
8,000. This is for 1 year. This is for 1 year.
1 year.
This is for half year. This is for half year. You just combine these two. 1 year plus half year is nothing but. Yes, for 1.5 year, how much?
12,400.
Very good.
12,000.
1.5 year, you need to calculate as 8,000 plus 4,400.
400, which is
12,400.
12,400.
12,400 rupees is your, what is that? 12,400 rupees your
Compounded.
compound interest. So what is the amount you need to find out? They're asking about amount, right?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
amount you have to add with 8,000.
Yes, ma'am.
8,000 plus 12,400. What is the amount?
90,000, sorry, 92,400.
No, this is your interest. This is your interest,
Yes.
simple compound interest. Compound interest for the year. Now you need to find out amount. Amount, how you will find out? Earlier amount is 8,000, 80,000
Ma'am,
plus
92,000.
interest is 12,400.
92,400.
92,400. This is one. There are two bits is given. This is for one. Second one is, what is the second one is given?
Compounded half yearly.
Very good. Compounded half yearly. Compounded half yearly means what formula you have to substitute, Nana?
P into
Ma'am,
1
R
plus
upon
R by
200 and 2n.
raised to the power 2n.
Compounded half yearly. Very important keywords, children. Compounded half yearly. Compounded half yearly. If it is given, formula is different. P into 1 plus R by 200 whole to the power 2n. You substitute in this formula, children, please. Please substitute and simplify and give the answer. 80,000. Calculation you have to do, children. Don't think ma'am is doing on the screen. I will be simply sitting. If you do, you will get the practice. If I will do, I will get practice. No, there is no use if I'm getting practice also. If you do practice, you will definitely get. Take your book and practice the sum.
Ma'am,
Sit idly. Right, ma'am.
ma'am, actually the first one they said the compounded annually and second one compounded half yearly.
Half yearly, yes.
Ma'am, but the first one with the compounded 1 by 2, no, ma'am.
No, actually their first year we are calculating only as extra half year we are taking as simple interest. Same thing only.
We're
Here
taking separate and adding.
that is one part, different part. No, this is separate part. Now you have to substitute in this.
Ma'am, but they asked the compounded annually means only for 1 year they asked, ma'am.
Means we have to count.
You have to use the formula 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n if annually is given.
Ma'am, we did that, ma'am. After that, we again did it for the half year also, ma'am.
But
half
half
year
year
we
is
need to do
we need to yes, Nana, we need to calculate simple interest because we are not going to. They didn't mention any half yearly. Directly there is given question condition is only annually.
Ma'am, the first bit they said calculate compounded annually. Second bit calculate compounded
half yearly. Very good. Right. Now you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
there are two bits, Nana. First bit is compounded annually we completed. For first bit, we are doing the same for 1 year we completed. Then whatever the amount you are getting that using and you are making simple interest and you are getting your interest as 12,400. You just add it to your amount. It become 92,400. That is one case. Second case is given as a compounded half yearly. Come on, substitute in your formula. Please substitute, children. So our rate of interest, how much is given? 10, right?
Ma'am.
Nana?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please. 2 into how much, Nana? It's 1.5 means 2 to 3 by 2.
Ma'am, I have a doubt actually.
Yes, where is your doubt, ma'am?
Ma'am, in that only, ma'am, it is compounded annually, no, ma'am. Then we need to, we should stop at 8,000 only, no, ma'am.
No, 1 year, but our time period is given as 1.5 year, right? If 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years given, directly we will simplify there and we can stop. But our time period is given as 1.5 year, right?
Ma'am, the time period is 1.5 years, but they are asking only for annual.
Annually asking. That's why we are doing simple interest further steps. For half year.
Yes, ma'am, understood. Ma'am.
Right. Next. Yes, Sahu is asking one doubt. Please, Sahu.
Yes, ma'am.
Sahu, clarified?
No, ma'am. The doubt is, ma'am, it is a factorization doubt.
Even I have a doubt from the test given yesterday.
Yeah,
Ma'am, it is, ma'am, a plus b into 2x plus y.
1 minute, Sahu. Let me complete this question. I will come to you. I thought this is here. Please mute
Ma'am,
your
Pallav is
microphone.
unmuted.
Pallav, please. Pallav, are you there? Pallav, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Mute your mic. Nana, time period. Why here time period is given as 1.5 year? So you just convert into mixed number to improper. So
3 by
3 by 2.
3 by 2.
You just substitute in place of n 3 by 2. So 2 to get cancelled only. You have to remember on 3.
power 3 whole power.
Now 80,000 multiplied with this you can simplify, Nana. 21. 21s are 20. 21.
21 by 20, 20 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20.
Yes. Who will give fast answer? Let me. Akash having some network issue. He is trying to join continuously. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Very simple question. It is 1, 2, 3. So 8 will go 10 times. Come on, children. 21 cube. 21 cube. Who are giving fast? We will get answer right now.
I got the whole answer, ma'am. 92610. 92610 is the whole answer, ma'am. And for the cube of 21, ma'am, the 9260. 9261.
Yes.
9261 into 10.
Right.
Which is equal to 92610.
Right. This is that's all, children. Difference between these two amounts you have to calculate. This is half yearly we are getting, annually we are getting as for earlier bit, annually you are getting as 92. What is the difference between these two amounts? Yes.
And today can you send the recording?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sure.
110, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, I have a doubt from my book, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait. Let me complete the bit. Let me complete the question. What is the difference between the amounts, children?
Ma'am, 210.
Difference.
92,610 minus 92.
Compound interest, compound and half yearly is
It's a 92.
210.
610 minus 92, 400. 610 means only manki just you are subtracting.
Ma'am, 210.
610 lo nunchi 400, 210 rupees extra. Yes.
210 rupees
That's all.
extra.
Ma'am, but for 1 it will be more. For 1 year it will be more, no, ma'am. For 1 year.
Yes. For 1 year annually you are calculating means you are getting as 92,400. Half yearly you are calculating means 92,610.
Ma'am, but for 1 year it should be more, no, ma'am.
No, you are not understanding properly, Nana. Questions. Compounded annually means every 1 year the interest is added to principal. Now you understand the part, Nana.
Yes.
Every 1 year they will add to principal amount interest. Then original principal is whatever you are adding interest is original principal for next year. Coming to the here, what is the question in the second part? Compounded half yearly. Every half year they will calculate and they will add to your principal amount.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Nana, 6 months ki borrow cheskunte and 1 year ki borrow. You just think in your mind. 1 year, suppose the amount you are calculating compounded half yearly means they are adding that interest to your principal amount for the next half year.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Right. Now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Nana. Akash.
Ma'am, I have a doubt from another book, ma'am. Can I ask it?
Yes, yes, Akash, just wait a minute. I'll discuss every doubt. Yeah, I'll clarify your doubts. Just a minute. Yeah. Someone is asking about factorization doubt. Someone is it the same chapter for you?
Yes, ma'am. It's ma'am not the same chapter. It's from
Ma'am,
compound
cleared,
interest.
cleared. Ma'am, my doubt is cleared.
Cleared? Right, right. Well, compound interest. This is compound interest only. Please, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, there's a question. I'm like, Rohit deposited rupees 8,000 with a finance company, and for 3 years at an interest of 15 years per annum. What is the compound interest that Rohit gets after 3 years?
Yes. For how
Ma'am,
many
this
years?
question I didn't
Ma'am, I
understand,
think
ma'am.
this is the doubt from the test.
This is the question from test, right?
My book, ma'am. And this is from Adi Sharma.
Okay, we'll discuss. Don't worry. Even I gave the same bit to test also, right? Same bit for
Yes,
testing
ma'am,
also.
similar ones you gave.
Yeah. Same bit also I gave for testing also. We'll discuss.
Ma'am, even the same question I went wrong in the test. Only that one only.
Okay. Next, who will read the next question? Only few.
Ma'am, can I wish?
Ma'am, may I read?
Ma'am, can I didn't get a chance.
Wait, ma. Wait. I will call the students.
Ma'am,
Someone
I
are
read?
speaking. Someone are not at all responding. I will only call the students' names.
Ma'am.
Where is Rishit sir? Is there in the classroom?
Yeah, ma'am.
Sir, please read question number 7.
Maria invested rupees 8,000 in a business. She should pay interest of 5% per annum, compounded annually. Find the amount credited against her name at end of the second year, interest for the third year.
Okay. Yes, where is Nityasri? Are you there in the classroom? Navyasri, are you there in the classroom? Likita? Likita,
Is
are you
not
there?
there.
Ma'am, they both are not there.
They both are not there. Okay, I'll just let me call other students. Some
Ma'am,
students.
did you call my name?
1 minute, Nana. I'll come to you. Just a minute. Krishna Ditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Krishna, please. What are the given conditions in the question? What we supposed to do? Very simple bit. Please. There are 2 bits given. First bit you are supposed to tell what we supposed to do.
Yes, ma'am.
What is given? First of all, please let me know what is given.
The amount credited against her name at the end of the second year.
Is it principal given? Yes, principal amount given.
Ma'am, which question, ma'am?
Yes,
Question
Seventh, right.
number 7, Nana.
Ma'am, may I tell the solution?
1 minute.
8,000 principal, ma'am.
Yes. Question number 7. What is principal amount given? What is rate? What is time?
Ma'am, he said 8,000 principal.
Okay,
8,000 principal, ma'am. 5% per annum is time.
Okay.
Rate, 5% rate.
Now please find out the amount who will give, because the question is.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please. The
Ma'am,
amount
here it is
credited
compounded
against.
annually, so we can directly say 8,000 into 1 plus 5 upon 100 to the
Right, come
power
on.
2, ma'am.
Please continue, Sahu.
Yes, ma'am. Then, just a minute, ma'am. Ma'am, 8,000 into 1 plus 5 upon 100 to the power 2, ma'am.
Right.
We can make it 1 by 20, 5 by 100.
Or else
Then we can
directly go
write
with 1 by
8,000.
23. 21 by 20.
Yes, ma'am. 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 8,000.
Right.
The 2 zeros of 20 and 20
Cancel.
and 8,000 will be
Only
cancelled.
Yes.
Then 2 ones are 2 40s are. Again,
Yes.
2 ones are 2 20s are.
Right.
21 into 21 is 441. into 20 we can do, which is 8820, ma'am.
441 into 2 directly you have to make it
Yes,
as
ma'am. So 820, ma'am. 820 is the interest.
very good. 820 is the interest in the first case. Coming to the second part, wait, Sahu. Wait, I'll call other students. Yeah. Jashmita, Ritvik, are you there in the classroom? Ritvik, are you there in the classroom?
Ma'am is not there.
Ritvik is not there?
He's there, ma'am, but his
Ma'am,
mic
he
is
in
not
chat he said
Okay.
I think
Oh,
he has some problem with mic.
okay, maybe. Okay. Okay, Ritvik. Next,
He has a mic.
Pallav, please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Pallav, in the first bit, as Sahu said, ma'am, we got amount as 820 rupees as interest. Coming to the second part, what is given in second part? You just read the second part of the question.
The interest for the third year, ma'am.
You need to find out the interest for the third year. How you will calculate for third year, Nana?
Ma'am, first we have to take the interest, compound interest for 2 years.
Okay.
We have to take the third year compound interest of the second year.
Okay, so here you need to take it as a simple interest or whatever the interest. Why? Because
ma'am, we can directly do simple interest of second year.
Very good, Jashmita. But here, Jashmita, why we need to find out only simple interest? Why can't?
Ma'am, because we need to take the principal of the second year and find the interest only for third year.
Very good, very good. You need to find out the interest for only third year, not for all 3 years, children. That is the question you have to understand. Should be careful. Here, the interest for third year you need to find out. So anyway, what amount you are getting after 2 years? What amount? 808.
Ma'am, 8820, ma'am. 8820.
8820. You just take it as that amount as a principal amount. Rest everything for third year you need to calculate, children. But a time period you need to take it as 1 year. Third year only 1 year they're asking. So 8820 into 5 by 100. Simplify and get the answer. What is the simple interest you need to get? Please let me know. Or else can I do on the screen, children?
Ma'am, 441.
441. 1 minute.
8820 into.
Okay, just a
Ma'am,
minute.
8820 into 5 into 1 upon 100. 110 will get cancelled. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 2 ones are, and 2 441s are.
Yes. So what is the given condition? First given is principal is 8,000. What is rate of interest given, children?
Ma'am, 8820 you said to take, no?
Yeah, that's so fine. Only let me write on the screen, or else other students can unable to catch the points. Rate of interest.
441.
Rate of interest how much, Nana? 5%?
Yes, ma'am, 5% per annum.
Okay, then what is the time period is given?
Ma'am, 1 year only.
No, actually question, what is the annual?
Ma'am, first case it is 2 years, and then second case it is 1 year.
Okay. First case, what is compounded annually, right?
2 years.
Okay. N equal to 2 years. Compounded annually, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it compounded annually?
It is compounded annually on ma'am.
Okay, compounded annually is given. So based on that, you just substitute in the formula, children. Already it is given in the mind only, answered by the student. Let me complete.
82.
Yeah, 8,000 into here, the 1 plus rate of interest 5 by 100 whole square. So 5 ones are 520, 21 by 21 by
21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 8. Ma'am, 8,000. Yes.
21 by 20. Just simply so.
Ma'am, 2 to 0's cut, and here it will come 40, 20, ma'am, 20.
Only 20. We know that.
Ma'am, and there 441.
Very
441 into 20 is 8820.
Very good. 8820. So this
Ma'am,
is your-
820 is the interest.
Yes, so 820 is interest, of course. If they're asking about interest means you have to just find out 820 as interest. Compound interest. So what
Ma'am,
is
then 8820 is our principal for the third year.
third year? Just you need to find out only for third year, right?
441 ma'am.
Yes.
P into R into T upon 100, which is 8820 into 5
5
into 1
into 1 by
100.
100, which is 441.
For third
Yes,
year,
ma'am,
interest,
441.
interest for third year, how you supposed to find? You need to use your simple interest formula, right?
Yes, ma'am, P into R into T upon 100.
But here principal amount you supposed to take it as whatever the after 8820. Why? Because
8,820.
8820 into 5 into 1 upon 100.
Right.
So 0 cut 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, it will be 4.
Yes, ma'am, 110 cut, then 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, it will be 441 rupees.
Yes.
Very good. 441. Right, children. This is the way you need to find out whatever the conditions given according
Ma'am,
to
the second part is tricky.
second part is very but once you know that only they're asking about the third year, no need of all 3 years, so then it is easy for you. Or else definitely you will substitute 8,000 without thinking and doing, means you will definitely substitute as 8,000 as your amount and going the same.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, last 10 minutes left. Can we discuss the
Yeah.
paper?
I'll just children, please try to do the rest of the bits as your work. Think about the sums and try to do. We'll discuss the question paper. Some students having doubt in that question paper. There are few questions are very easy. Few are little tricky questions are there. But only 15 questions given, right, children? Yes. Just a minute, children. Am I sharing my screen, children, right now? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yeah. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Quizzes, class 8 component.
Yes, children, first question. There is only calculation part is more, rest everything is very simple. You just to see. What is the question, Satvik? Please read the question.
Your 3-year investment of 20,000 received 20,000 rupees received 5.2 interest compounded annually.
Okay. So 3 years, so interest rate is 5.2. Only decimal part is given. Nothing. Rate of interest is given as decimal.
Ma'am, and he received, ma'am. Means we need to add, we need to not subtract.
What is your total return? 3 years investment.
Ma'am, total return means we need to find how much amount he will get, not the interest.
Yes. No, your 3 years investment of rupees 20,000 received 5.2% interest compounded annually. So what you have to substitute here? 5.2 by 100 whole cube, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And this one, how you supposed to simplify 5.2 by 100? Yes, Sahu, please. Sahu, 5.2 by 100. Can I see it as a 52 by 1000? Yes, ma.
Yeah, 52.
Can I write it as 52 by 1000?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. So that you can simplify. This is little as usual what you are going to do earlier. Same 1052 by 1000. Like that 3 times, or else if you want to simplify here, you can reduce little more also. So 2 table.
Ma'am, 27. 27.
26 kada Nana?
Oh, sorry, 26.
Yes, 26. This one is
500.
500. Again, we'll simplify 13. Just it's a 250. 13 by 250. So 250 plus 13 you can make it as 220,000. And this is 250 plus 13. 250 plus 13 is how much, Nana? 263 by 250. Like that, 263 by 250.
Ma'am, I think I got the answer as 2, 3, A, ma'am, A bit.
You can estimate the concept, you can use children here. Why? Because or else you can go long, the calculation part is there. Because there are 2 4 numbers will happen. You just simplify with 0, 0. How many zeros will be cancelled? You have to see here. 1, 2, 3 zeros. For these 3 zeros, this will cancel. 20 upon 25 can be written as how you're supposed to simplify that? Is it 24 by 5? Yes. Or else 25 table, how approximately you will get, you just see that. Yes. What is the answer, children? What is the first bit answer? Did you calculated this yesterday?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I think I got it 23,285.05, ma'am.
Okay. Did you multiply 263 3 times and then you simplified with multiplied with 4, then you have to divide with 625 like that you did, or simply what is the way you are doing, children? Which is the simplest way you can solve here? You just simplify this part with 4 table, you just simplify. Sorry, 5 table.
Ma'am, I did it like that, and I one more. At first, I did it like investment received means it will be more than 20,000, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, and it is in decimal points means I think it will be 0.5. So I thought A. After that, I again I calculated, I got the same answer.
But most of the numbers are very far here. Unfortunately, here the numbers are given as 3,285. Like that, so far numbers are given. You can cross out B and C. Why? Because it is not at all suitable. Anyway, 32,285. There is no decimal place. That's why you are calculating. But
Yes,
sometimes the very closure numbers will give. You have to calculate, children. Always use your calculator. You need to simplify. First option is correct. Even the first option is correct. Once if it is given in the examination, you just go with the 263 3 times multiplied with 4 divided by 625. First bit, what is the answer? First one only we will get approximately, if you take like that also. 25, how many times, Nana? It's almost 10 times. 10 times 10, 10. You simplify, you will get first option only correct. Second one, you borrowed 59,000 for 2 years, 11%, which was compounded annually. What total will you have to pay back? What you supposed to pay back, children, after 2 years at rate of 11% per annum? It's compounded annually. It's very simple. You just substitute in the formula. No need of here. You will get it as 11 by 100, so that 111 by 100 you will get. You need to simplify that part. Same formula you can use. Semi-annually means how much, children? Semi-circle means how many circles you have? In one circle, how many semicircles you have?
2.
Semi-annually means 2. Next question. Please read any one of your next question. Yes, please. Jashmika, please read.
Riley invested 1,000 in savings bonds. If the bonds earn 6.75% interest compounded semi-annually, how much total will Riley earn in 15 years?
Yeah. What is given? What is given condition here?
Ma'am, many people left.
Compounded semi-annually.
Ma'am, only 11 people are in the class, ma'am. I think some people left.
Why?
The answer I got C, ma'am.
Okay. No. What is the Rishit? Okay. Krishna Richa.
Ma'am, I'm saying that some people left, ma'am. There are only 11 people in the class.
Who is that?
Ma'am, it's not Rishit, ma'am.
Okay. We'll, because the time is over, maybe they have some other classes children. We will also end. Just a minute, we'll discuss
Ma'am,
for a bit, then we will end. Yes.
Ma'am, in our school also only less people are coming for classes, online classes.
Offline classes are going on.
Ma'am, not offline, ma'am, online. After SA1, they said they'll keep online, offline.
Okay, okay.
Actually, they gave a form, ma'am, to fill out, but only 70% of the parents said no, but 30% said okay, they'll send to school, ma'am.
Only 30. That means majority people online only, right?
Ma'am,
but
online
they
is
said
better. Ma'am,
after-
nothing different is going on in online and offline schools. Just traveling time and traveling efforts are getting saved.
Ma'am, not like that, ma'am. If
No,
it
children,
is
as my
offline, we can
observation,
understand more.
children, as my observation, offline, online classes, you can learn many things, right? Most of the things.
No, ma'am, it is not
No,
like
in
that.
classroom,
The teachers teach on Blackboard and the.
in classroom, every time I use it to teach only 4 application sums in a period. More
Yes.
than 4 different varieties of application sums I use it to teach in the class.
And one more is that if it is in the offline classroom, then we can understand more than this.
That is true. That is always. No one is not going to feel that because you need to.
Ma'am, but
children also
now
physically-
This
more
they
than
play
one
games
year
and
they
all
are.
will plan.
Ma'am, now they made compulsory.
Children physically they are very happy to learn there in the classroom. Why? Because they have their friends to do something fun, do share.
No,
for
ma'am.
us, they
Nowadays
make-
we will see one person on the bench, so we can't meet the friends, and tiffins are not allowed in the school. Just we can drink water and some juices, and even
Okay,
playing
that
will
is
be
good.
not there. Sports period will be not there.
Yeah, that's mandatory. No ground. We supposed to not go to the ground also.
Ma'am, even there are risk. Ma'am, even there are risks to send in school because, like, even doctors are consulting that third wave is also like near in September or October.
And third wave is also started, ma'am. Actually.
Yes, I know that.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in
Delta
Kerala
variant.
it is a lot.
I'm
I'm
also.
okay, ma'am. Can we do the questions?
Yeah, even we are going children continuously 3 days, 4 days onwards. Children, no child is coming to the school. We are waiting for children. We are.
Ma'am, even our school gave a Google form that in that like our parents are like allowed to send their children to school. Ma'am, 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 more than half class has typed no. Ma'am, and the same reason because of third
For my
wave.
school, 70% said no.
But
Can we leave?
my school is not given any option for online. It's mandatorily they're supposed to.
I'm like they have given
our state offline is not started
For
only.
our school, there is online and offline both, ma'am.
Very nice. Very
Ma'am,
nice.
but
Yes, 1 minute. When Rishit, how they can manage both the same classroom will be just.
Ma'am, even I asked the same question, ma'am. Our teacher said that they'll keep a laptop in our class, ma'am. Whoever is coming to the offline school, ma'am will teach on the board, and whoever comes to online, ma'am will keep the laptop on, and she'll explain on the board only, ma'am. To both.
No. Actually, suppose if I'm teaching second period math class, right? That math class should be for online students. Means is it directly record the session and send it to the students, or else live sessions?
Live sessions only, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Even our school, ma'am, it's only the same, ma'am. Teachers are going
Ma'am,
to
we
school
can
and
do
teaching
parallelly.
offline
The
students.
teachers can do
Yes.
parallelly, ma'am.
Ma'am, for us compulsory, ma'am.
Is it possible, children? Is it the same thing focused to the?
Ma'am, like if you teach on the board, ma'am, you can keep the computer on and
the video on.
the board.
Okay. Okay.
But in our school,
On the video.
section A, B, C are going to school, and section D and E are online. So we are like.
Ma'am, in our state that GR
fine.
is only postponed of opening the schools.
Okay.
Ma'am, they are on the video and they will put it perfectly.
Students in one day and 20
board.
students in another
Children,
day.
there are how many students are there in the just 1 minute, children? I want to know one student I'll call. Which one is better for me? You just please let me know. I want my student. Yeah, here, Rishit. Do you want online or offline? Just one word.
Ma'am, I like offline only, ma'am.
Okay, Akash.
Ma'am, according to the situation, I'll need online. Ma'am, if situation is better, so I'll consult offline, obviously.
Okay, Jashmita.
Ma'am, I obviously want offline, but online is better because it's safer.
This is this pandemic. Okay, right. Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
Ma'am,
online
am
or
I
offline
audible
in
now?
this situation? In this situation, whether you want online or offline?
Ma'am, if we are talking about this situation, then I'll go to online because
Okay,
it's the third wave.
Oh yeah, right. Pallav,
Ma'am, online itself.
Rishit already done. Sahasra,
Ma'am, offline.
okay. Right, Satvik,
According to a situation online.
okay. Right, Sahu.
Ma'am,
always online.
Very good. Sahu already said there is no difference between we are not touching any friend also. If you go also, you will sit in your bench, they will sit in their bench, and we are doing, touch me not
Yes,
like
ma'am, there is no benefit of going to school offline.
that is true. Why? Because
Ma'am,
teachers also
ma'am,
very
for us they
seriously.
made compulsory, ma'am. 20 students in one day and 20 students another day, ma'am. Day by
That's
day.
fine, Pallav, because classroom is also not because 43 students, 45 students in the same classroom at a time, we are making them to sit. Obviously, we are doing absolutely wrong things. Even I am also not agreeing with that. Today there is a continuous meeting is happening. Ma'am said there are principal ma'am said only few parents can may send their students. No, this is not at all correct. It's a 43 students we are making in one place. And continuously teacher is asking to given guidelines to children, don't do. They definitely what we are saying to don't do means they will do that only. I know that they will do that only. Don't touch means they will touch. Don't they will do that things. How we supposed to control the students? This is a big question mark from me. Yesterday onwards continuously there are the suppose students are touching railing and coming up. If how much they are going to use their sanitizer, no, it's not. There is complications are there. We will see children what are going to happen. I'm not
Ma'am,
sure.
and even like it's the problem is that some students are like they are not also following the rules given by the school.
Yeah, someone is there. Some students absolutely only in class 43 means 5 to 6 students will completely listen. 100% they listen. So 80% will listen and 20% won't do the complete rules. And rest. Some people will be always 5 to 6% people always anti to the teachers. What they will say, they won't do that. They will be anti to that. That case is only a lot of trouble with complete only the few people because of
And
few.
most of
Well,
the
ma'am,
relatives, they
even
come to see
ma'am,
the
if schools, ma'am, even if schools are also reopening, ma'am, then also, ma'am, the corona will spread more, ma'am, as compared to normal.
Yeah, I don't know.
Ma'am, it will spread more, ma'am, because students and even like even first class student, ma'am, he will not understand that what to do, how to stop this.
Yes, many strength is high means we can't control. This is not our schools are big.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, even teacher is given the task to control all the 43 200 students at a time, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, so then how she can teach only 5 students instead of 43 students which are online?
Yeah. There are many questions from parents too. What are the
Ma'am,
precautions?
online saves the time a lot.
Time saving is obviously true, dear, but child psychologically should be happy. That is the main thing. As a kids, you should be happy. That's our
Ma'am,
intention. Happy education is very important for you children, or else
ma'am,
mental, yes, disorders will come in future. You should be happy while learning online also. You should make your, it should not be a force of your parents too and teachers too. It should be learning, should be happy always. That is very important, children. Learning
Ma'am,
should
do you know, ma'am, in the whole world, ma'am, in the whole India, ma'am, only 1%, even only 1% parents are consulting offline school, only 1%. Ma'am, rest are saying 99% are saying online is okay due to the corona.
Okay. We will see, children.
Ma'am, but
because they are
ma'am,
studying for the
and on the other hand, 1% parents are saying that studying in online is like very bad, and like studying offline is also understandable for the student, and even it's psychology.
Yeah.
ma'am, but nowadays teachers think that we have a lots of time at home. Ma'am, we need to do other studies also. They give a lot of homework.
Yes, ma'am. They gave me 5-6 activities from each subject, one activity, ma'am, and
Yes, ma'am.
I
Very
need to
much
submit it by
extracurricular
31st,
activities
ma'am.
are there.
By tomorrow, I
Okay.
should
Ma'am,
submit it.
even
What is
teachers, if we have some
happening
incomplete, ma'am, if we have even
Why-
some incomplete work, ma'am, then also like they are saying that completed in 1 hour or 2 hours and then send it.
children, if online classes will happen means parents are writing answer scripts, children. That is my worry. Parents are writing answer scripts.
Ma'am, parents, ma'am.
Parents are writing and uploading. That's a really very bad thing, children.
Ma'am, the
If
handwriting.
parents are right, the test means who will who are the ultimate losers there? They are children only. They don't know that. Parents are writing and uploading. Even 9th class and 10th class, a few parents. I don't know. Few parents, some students are really very good. They are on their videos. They are doing and they're writing and they're submitting. And a few are writing parents too, because I don't know what is this.
Ma'am, I think parents don't write, ma'am, but they tell the answers and the student will write, I think.
Exactly. That's why there is one more action is coming to the open book.
And that's why offline is better than all, ma'am. For
Okay,
example.
children, we'll see next week. If anyone are going to school, please take care yourself. That's my advice to you all people. Use your things, be careful. While if anyone is unfortunately going to school also, take yourself, take care. And whatever the instructions given by the management, absolutely follow those instructions.
Ma'am, I can't go offline, ma'am, because we need to wear a mask only, but I have some problems. So if I wear, I can only wear it for 5 minutes like that, ma'am.
Okay, even for me also, Satvik, I won't wear much of the time. Something irritation will happen in my.
Ma'am, it is a suffocation a lot. Means I go
don't know,
out, so it
Sahu,
is very
same thing.
suffocating.
Yeah. We supposed to not use. Last year, continuous 1.5 year, using mask, making some people, some breathing issues also happen. That is also one more concern nowadays.
Ma'am, do you use gloves?
Ma'am, today something is special, ma'am.
Janmashtami.
Everyone.
Yeah. How many of you celebrated, children? Did you celebrate it?
Yes, ma'am. Today we celebrate till 12 o'clock. Ma'am, till 12 o'clock.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is
11:59
okay?
to
Children, one word. Any one of you say what is the one word about Krishna? Krishna. Why Krishna is so great? We are praying about Krishna, right? What is
Ma'am,
the greatness of
Ma'am,
Krishna?
do you know? Ma'am, I have made a complete. Ma'am, Ma'am, I have made a complete presentation of 4 slides on Krishna.
Right.
Ma'am,
Only
can I
the
make
thing
a
is that
presentation?
if relatives also, Kauravas, Pandavas, both are, he treated all the people are equal and he is giving justice equally. That is the greatness of Krishna.
Ma'am, one more thing,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
he
he
is
can
very
lift the
knowledgeable.
wall like mountain or something with just his little finger.
Govardhan Parvat. Govardhan Parvat.
Yes, right, children, right.
Ma'am, actually for me today they did
Go
not
through,
give holiday,
go
but
through at
tomorrow they
least
give
10
holiday.
important points about 10 important. Please just read about it. That's all.
That I was so happy.
Okay.
Happy and my mom also.
We'll discuss the other part of the question paper next class, children. Yes, something is.
Excuse me, ma'am.
For me, actually, for our school gave tomorrow holiday, but not today holiday. Today I had maths learning worksheet.
Ma'am,
do you know?
we need